dang 2x4.
Oh, that's good.
They package them pretty good. Good. There's your template.
Oh, that's awesome how they put those on 2x4.
Here, watch that. This is your template.
Yeah.
With the gas hole cover.
Yeah, and that's gonna do both sides, right? I just wanted these 2x4s.
Dude, this is definitely
$3,000 worth of stuff. I got 2 free.
What's the joke from? The truck that Home Depot gets all their lumber from?
Not even tree. Yellowwood. Yellowwood.
They get them in all their wood looks like the. Putting the template up here, it's not scratching your paint.
That, and when you drill, it also won't chip the paint sometimes when you drill.
I got lucky. I didn't do any of that, so I got lucky. I'm not saying you don't have to do it. It is optional.
I'm probably doing a lot of overkill on the tape, but yeah.
No, you don't need to.
Huh?
We're gonna run all these small holes. You get the self-tap.
You have your rib nut, basically thread it onto the top, just like that. And we don't have a hole to stick into, but this is basically, I have a couple rib nuts. I can basically afford to break one, so all you do is just pull back. And because there's nothing in it, they kind of warped a little bit. But once you have a piece of metal flat, it should pull out. It's also not adjusted right, but basically it makes a crimp right there. The metal is going to be right there and going to crimp and basically hold it all together right there. And then when you're done, push it out and there is your rib nut.
Do not exist. We need to take. My finger don't fit, but something through here to make that hole exist.
For these, we're going to use your 17/32 all the way down, And then there's also 2 right here that go in right here.
You have to put the whole fender on.
And then we have to tap it and drill it. We have to tap it, pull it off again.
After we get it snug,
yeah,
you have to find the centers down there and then pull everything back up. Just get half. These are heavy duty, guaranteed.
See what I mean, Amy?
See how it chipped the paint?
See how it chipped the paint?
Yeah.
If you had tape on there, it would have drilled a hole. It wouldn't have chipped that little bit of paint that's right there.
But it's not going to matter though, because we're drilling this thing out to that size. Just take her nice and easy. She might try to kick on you. Warned you.
I do not recommend this for anybody who daily drives their Jeep. Not gonna lie. It literally sucked it up like a screw, dude. It just went straight through. Crooked in the thing. That was Dylan's first one that he attempted, and it was a little bit too tight as well, and it pulled too much, and basically it shifted, so you're not going to be able to get the bolt through there, and that's what's happened to his whenever he did his. But he didn't have that tool. That tool makes it faster and makes it easier. He used their tool that they gave him. I bought $120 here, and I'll probably never use it again.
Right.
Alright, ready?
Nice and easy.
Yep.
So you only get one shot to do it. Do it right, maybe you kill. Do what Granger does, man. Do it right the first time. Wait for your comment on that.
These actually, all four of these take a bolt. They go straight down, and you're able to get a wrench in there and with the bolt on the back side and
Got number 2 down there.
put them in there.